Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing sapwood with straight grain and minimal defects. This matters because sapwood bonds and shapes predictably. Once selected, cut a blank oversized by about 10% in length and 2 mm in thickness so you can refine fit later. Clamp the blank to a stable surface and mark the center line to guide your cutting. Make sure to wear safety glasses and a dust mask. These quick precautions keep you working longer and prevent costly mistakes. Now you rough cut the blade profile using a coping saw or bandsaw, following your center line so you preserve material for final shaping. After that, stabilize the sapwood by applying thin CA glue or a resin soak. This seals porous fibers and reduces chipping. Cure for 10 to 20 minutes under moderate heat if available. Once cured, sand progressively from 120 to 220 to 320 grit, checking symmetry often. These steps keep the sapwood strong and ready for final refinement. Finish by shaping precise bevels with files and move to fine sanding up to 600-800 grit, so the blade hugs the edge without tearing. Once smooth, seal the sapwood blade with tung oil or thin polyurethane. Apply 2 coats and allow about 12 hours dry time between coats to prevent tackiness. If you spot delamination or fiber lift, stop. Inject thin epoxy into the seam, clamp tightly and wait for 24 hours to cure. This single troubleshooting fix resolves most separation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.